gonna fix his hat?
Yeah. Mrs. Hat. I said Mrs. Hat.
You put it back on?
Why do you have that one?
Why do you have what?
Can I put it
Tanuki?
there?
Who's that?
I don't know.
That's Mrs. Tanuki.
Mrs. Tanuki.
Don't drop it, please. Yeah, so yesterday we bought Mrs. Tanuki for Mr. Tanuki, right? So because he's lonely, yeah. So Mr. Tanuki used to be in the backyard all by himself.
Yeah, but now he has a girlfriend.
He has a girlfriend. Should they get married?
Yeah.
Should we marry them right now?
Yeah.
Go ahead, marry them.
Okay, let's kiss him.
Okay, they're now married.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, hold on. Let's I think we need to move Mr. Tanuki over here. Let's see. Please don't drop her, okay?
Wow.
Well, it's plate.
Weird to me.
Who looks weird to you?
That.
This?
The boy was.
He looks weird?
Yeah.
Why?
I want to put it up.
Okay. Oh, there you go.
Girlfriend.
Girlfriend.
The little ones. Now married. They're married.
Now they're married.
Yeah, because they kissed each other.
They kissed each other. Now, how do you know which one is the girl and which one is the boy?
Because this one's is a boy because it doesn't have a bow. This one, I know this one's a girl because it has the bow.
And what else?
And the same, I know they're wearing hats.
They're both wearing hats. And why else do you know that there's a boy and a girl?
I don't know.
Yeah, we'll explain that a little bit later.
Let's go work.
But the female Tanuki, you know, she has little boobies, right?
Yeah.
But and then let's just say that Mr. Tanuki is well endowed.
Why are you laughing?
I'm just what? Be careful with the lights, please. Okay.
These is poison berries.
Poison berries? That
And
could
we
be.
don't pick them up.
Okay, that's all right. Don't pick them up. All right, let's fix Mr. Tanuki and Mrs. Tanuki here. All right, let's put them a little closer to each other.
Papa, kiss them.
Kiss them. See now, and we got the little ones that are over here. Look. See, and these are the little future babies right there. There you go.
I want to put them on. Oh, they're babies.
Little babies, right?
Can I get one off? Can I get one off?
No, this. I need to glue this one back on that came off. Okay.
But also this.
So now, Mr. Tanuki, Miss Tanuki, they are happy ever after.
They have babies now.
Okay. I'm gonna go down there and do a little bit of work. Okay.
I want to go too.
Okay. Stay warm. There you go. You're such good helpers. Now we need to clean up a little bit here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. So here in Japan, we have to recycle. It's inside the house, but here in Japan we have to recycle all the garbage, right? So we got to flatten that, put away the plastic.
Yeah.
Good job.
Can you put this on the table?
We
Another one.
That's right. So flatten that one. Is there any plastic in there?
No.
No plastic in here? Let me see. No? No, flatten it, please.
I got two.
Yeah. You got some more over there.
Wow. Good.
All right.
This one is so cool.
That one's so cool.
Papa,
Yes.
it's almost clean.
It's almost clean. Good job. You're doing a really good job. Where's my other helper at? There she is. Maya. Get all the rocks. There you go. Yeah, but blow the rocks out of the sidewalk. All right, let Amelia have her turn now. Good job. Now look, Amelia, listen please. Over there there you go. There you go. Good job. There you go. So you're taking care of a house here in Japan, huh? Yeah, good job. All right, go. Hey. So, you know, you gotta take advantage when the kids are willing and eager to help you, you know, or would this be a little bit of a child labor? I don't think so. Look at her. She's having fun. Not doing a perfect job, but in my opinion, as a papa, they're doing a great job. All right. There you go. Clean the front, Emilia. Emilia. I guess her gloves are bothering her. Emilia, do the front of the house. Do the front right there. Do the front. Yep. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Good job. Hey, folks, so I hope you enjoyed my granddaughters. They're helping me marry Mr. and Mrs. Tanuki. Mr. Tanuki's been there lonely for a little while. And I've been kind of searching. I mean, you can find those everywhere, but I just kind of wanted to get one of those. But so after that, I started decluttering our little, my little man cave, which I call, which is that building right there. So eventually, I am going to kind of turn it into like my little tinkering, like I keep calling it my man cave. But little by little, it's just getting full of stuff. And I guess kind of to add into this short little video is, don't you ever feel like stuff just starts taking over your life? So we bought this house, which was an Akiya vacant house, and in Japanese terms, it was vacant for about 5 years. And I spent weeks taking out all the previous owner's property, and now I have a couple more things that I'm just getting ready to donate as well. And then, if you saw that one video that I posted last week about our White Christmas, that same day we had some storage delivery that was frankly sitting in the States, that when we moved here to Japan 6 years ago, my wife and I, we donated stuff, we gave away stuff for friends and family, we threw away stuff, all kinds of, you know, and it was just stuff and more stuff and more stuff. And it was so frustrating because, you know, you spend good money buying these kind of things, and then because of one item, you have to have all kinds of other items around it, right? So like here I have my toolbox full of tools. It's something I haven't talked about before, but I spent 10 years restoring a really nice Datsun 260Z, and so far I had all kinds of special tools and everything. But then when it's time to move to Japan, I kind of had to make that hard decision to just get rid of it. And a lot of my friends would kept asking me, is like, what are you gonna do with it? Because you've spent a lot of money and time and effort into restoring this car. But it was just kind of a goal of mine because, and I learned a lot from it because I actually took auto body classes at the local community college. And it took me maybe like 3 years to finally finish all the body work and paint it and everything. And so I guess kind of the moral of this story is that because of that car, I had all kinds of other stuff around it. And then because I had a yard there in North Carolina, which I do now too, I had all kinds of tools. And because I had a house, I had all kinds of other stuff. So all this is the stuff that we had in storage that we left behind, that we've been lugging around, such as this school desk all over the world. Just quick math, I was paying, and it was actually cheap storage, I was paying $100 a month for a total of 6 years. So do that math. Over $6,000 worth of storage. And thank God that the government shipped this over this way to Japan for me, because I was entitled a move when I resigned my previous job. But now I'm sorting through all of this stuff to figure out what I have, what I need to get rid of, and so on. So So folks, I don't know, help me out here. Do you have the same problem that you kind of get stuck with stuff and it just seems like these things start consuming your life? And one of my goals in life is not to get consumed by items, but yet we bought this house, and again, no regrets whatsoever. I really love having my own house and my own place to kind of do my own thing and a place to call home. But because of that, it just keeps tying you down. So you have to balance in life, you know, what is really important. Do you like having the flexibility to move around and just pick up and go? Or, you know, or are you stuck in the place because you have all kinds of memories such as these? If you like what you see, please hit subscribe, like, share, and keep following our journey here in the rural side of Japan. Thanks, bye.